going on? Es your man Kingnabi the Great. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué onda? Estoy en el barrio de Polanco. I'm in Polanco right now. I actually came here just to kill some time before I meet with Isaac Mijan in El Centro. And I wanted to visit here. I heard that it was, if I'm not mistaken, more, there you go, Polanco. Just got off the subway. More wealthy, one of the wealthier neighborhoods in Mexico City. So, without further ado, take a walk with me. Camina conmigo. Walking through this little walking path through the Avenida de See Tiffany and Co. Already, you know where we at. There's no Tiffany signs in a normal neighborhood. Yeah, so for those from America, if you're from New York City, I guess this would be kind of like the Upper West Side or Upper East Side, one of the two. It would be in DC. It would be like, I guess Friendship Heights, sort of. Yeah, like Friendship Heights type area. Oh no, it's Avenida de Horacio is what I'm walking in the middle of. Here's some skaters. Beautiful day today. See some homes. Enjoying the weather. See if I could fly the drone somewhere, possibly. Once I get to that main park. It's a fountain. Walking dogs. Beautiful day today in Mexico City, la Ciudad de Mexico. See what we can see. And that's the thing, as Americans, I mean, a lot of times, you know, a lot of people that I speak to, some of my friends who I'm like, yeah, I'm going to Mexico City, you know, they have no idea. You know, a lot of times in America, in the United States, we're ignorant to what goes on in other countries. And we think, you know, we use terms like third world countries, developing nations, and think that everything's just torn down and, you know what I'm saying, and there's no running water and blah, blah, blah. Without realizing that, nah, country may not be, you know, it may not have as much money as our country does. You know, the peso may not be worth as much as a dollar, but they still got their thing, you know what I'm saying? They still do very much have very nice neighborhoods, as you even saw when I was in Santa Fe. So, you know, just like to show you, it looks like we're coming up on something interesting here. I may not be able to show you too much because I am headed downtown. I at least wanted to capture, you know, whatever I could capture while I'm here. Just decided to leave, you know, leave my room early today, a little bit earlier, just so I could get out here and see this before I meet with Mr. Mijan. jogging. 13. Really nice day. Really nice atmosphere here too. You could just tell that this is a spot where the money is at. See some of the buildings, the street, it's prestige, just regal. All of that. MAH, where we at? I think I might try and fly the drone from here. Actually, maybe not because the trees are covering. Oh, she getting it in. Oh, she getting it in. She getting it in. Yeah, this actually might be a decent place to fly. By this MAH sign back here. I'm trying to go 12 rounds with her. Nobody. Wow. Okay, it's a nice area, a little skate park over here. It looks like. Skaters out today. Okay, yeah, the MH for Miguel Hidalgo. This joint right here. This looks important. I need to do some studying on Miguel Hidalgo because apparently, and Benito Juarez, because apparently they are both very important to the city or have a lot of things named after them. Wow, this joint is huge. Grandioso. Look at this church, y'all. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Pedro de Morillo. Nice little spot. Yeah, so I'm not by like all of the stores and all that. I'm pretty much just in this park area in the middle of Avenida de Horacio. So I'm not by the Louis store, the Gucci store and all of that. But it's around all the designer and stuff, you know. Maybe on my next trip I may go see all of that, show you some more. Right now actually I'm gonna turn this way. I might try and fly from here. Be a good spot. Take a picture. What's good, y'all? Que pasa que bien? Still in Parque de America in Polanco. It's a beautiful day. Just got some drone shots. About to head out to Centro in a few, but just want to give y'all one last view. A lot of people. Nice day in the park. Well, a decent amount of people, but people about to get in. Let me show you. Beautiful, beautiful area. Got my folks over here getting it in with the soccer ball, doing their thing. Bang, bang. Kids playing. Beautiful day. Some people are out to get their martial arts thing in. Skaters and bikers over there. Here come my man here with the sticks too. Boom. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Walk around slowly. My lady told me that I'm moving too fast. people can't see stuff. Walk around slowly. You know what I'm saying? Man, yeah, I'll get back with y'all though. Once I'm off the train and I'm out there, then I'll holler back at y'all. Peace.